You are given a sorted unique integer array nums. A range AB is the set of all integers from A to B inclusive. Return the smallest sorted list of ranges that cover all the numbers in the array exactly. That is, each element of nums is covered by exactly one of the ranges, and there's no integer x such that x is in one of the ranges but not in nums. Okay, so you've got this array, and then you have to basically give all the ranges. All right. So let's put this here for reference and try to see what we're going to do. So we're going to go through this. And then once we get to a point where it's not continuous, we save this part. And then we keep going until it's not continuous again. We save that part. All right. So let's create a variable called range, in which we're going to store our results, like the range that we're going to return. And then I'll create another variable called previous that would keep like the it would start here, for example, and then it would keep as long as it's continuing, like from 0, 1, 2. 0 would be the starting index, I guess. This looks more like a sliding window kind of thing. I guess we could name this like left and right. Let's do this. So L equals 0. R equals L. And then let's do this. While R smaller than length of nums. So we're going to start here and keep going until we get to this point where this one is not equal to this one minus 1. All right, so while let's try to doing this. While nums r equals nums r plus 1 minus 1, we're going to increase the r, and then once we're done with that, we're going to put range.append LR. And then after that, we're going to do L equals R plus 1. R equals L. And Looks like this could work. Okay, hold on, what's going on here? Okay. Didn't put the parentheses here. And I didn't return the range. 0, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. Wait a second. This should append the... This is what we should append here. So it's 0, 2, 5, 4, but it doesn't get to the last one. Yeah. So why does it not get to the last one? Sorry. While R is smaller than... Yeah, if it gets to the last index, it's... If, for example, here you go, if this is the last one, it's not going to go through. Now, what if this was, let's say a 6 here? Would it... What are you talking about? Okay. Okay, so it gets to the last point, last index, and keeps going. All right. So let's do this. If while R less than okay, so this works. Let's see if this... Okay, so it doesn't get to the last one still. And... How do you get to the last one? So it depends. Let's say 4 and 5 here. And then L equals this 7 right here. Right also equals this. And then this checks if what if I remove this here? Okay, this makes sense. This now works. But it should check if okay. So this should check if L equals to R. So it just would append one number. Otherwise it would append two. If L equals R, range dot append nums L. Else just append this. Okay. Yeah, this works now. But it wants a certain format. So okay. So in a string format, I guess. Will this work, or do you have to convert it? Let's see. Yeah. You gotta convert it. str this, str that. Okay. Now this looks like it works. Let's see if this is gonna... So let's just remove these, huh? Let's see. Alright. Is there going to be some edge cases? No. Nice. I don't know how long it took for me to solve this. This probably longer than it should. But still.